Addressing a diverse gathering of political leaders and citizens, Chouhan emphasized the importance of putting national interests above political differences, stating that despite ideological divides, the country must stand united when it comes to the nation's welfare. Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare Shivraj Singh Chouhan on Friday emphasized the importance of national unity and patriotism in the face of growing global tensions and domestic challenges in a speech addressing a gathering of political leaders and citizens. Speaking at an event at the Sutter Math in Mysore, Chouhan expressed his deep conviction that India must lead the way toward global peace and prosperity, especially in the current geopolitical climate. Addressing a diverse gathering of political leaders and citizens, Chouhan emphasized the importance of putting national interests above political differences, stating that despite ideological divides, the country must stand united when it comes to the nation's welfare. We may have political differences, but when it comes to the issue of national interest, the entire country must stand together, Chouhan said, calling for solidarity during these challenging times. The union minister highlighted the growing global instability, citing the actions of authoritarian leaders as a major threat to global peace. Some countries, some leaders, have become a crisis for the entire world. In such a situation, India has the moral and philosophical strength to guide humanity toward eternal peace, he added. Chouhan pointed out that India's spiritual and cultural heritage positions the country uniquely to lead the world toward peace amidst the turmoil created by materialism. If anyone can show the world the path to eternal peace, it will be India. There is no other way, he asserted, stressing the importance of strengthening the nation both economically and politically. Turning his attention to the ongoing economic challenges, particularly the imposition of tariffs and trade barriers, Chouhan made an impassioned appeal to the citizens. In this time of crisis, it is essential that the spirit of patriotism be ignited within every Indian. Each one of us must pledge to use only those products that are made in our own country, he urged. This will strengthen our economy and ensure our nation's prosperity. The union minister also praised the efforts of religious leaders in uniting the people beyond political affiliations. Politics divides, but religion unites everyone. Today, Swamiji has brought together members from Congress, BJP, and JDS to serve the suffering humanity. This is a moment of unity, transcending political divides, he said, referring to the gathering of various political figures under the guidance of prominent Saint Shivaratri Mahaswamiji of Sutter Math, Mysore. In conclusion, Chouhan expressed his confidence that the people of India will rise to the occasion and contribute to the nation's progress. I have full faith that the countrymen will create a new history through their collective efforts to support our nation's economy, he concluded. This speech served as a reminder of the power of national unity and the role of every citizen in securing India's future and contributing to the globe.